Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. In this project, I just want to show you what we'll be doing. Okay, previously I went ahead and I used one of the square candle holders to create this seashell vase. Okay, so what I wanted to do is make a duplicate one of these vases, but also fill in with some other shells. So let me show you what we'll be using. The Dollar Tree carries two kinds of shells, and this is the label. Okay, so they carry these kind of shells right here. These are beautiful shells. And then they also carry these, which are kind of random different color shells. They're on the smaller side, so they're really good for filling in. So we are going to be using, this is the square vase that I used to make this one. So these are also at the Dollar Tree. They're readily available there. So this is the one we'll be decorating. This is the one I went ahead and randomly placed these seashells around that vase. So now what I'd like to do to this one, because this one really is not finished, I'd like to fill in with the smaller shells to complete this one. And then we'll sit down and we will do together this one. We will be using these clear candle holders. They also have these at the Dollar Tree. Some of them have the ridges in the back. These I really like because they don't. So we'll be using these. We'll be using the hot glue gun. We'll also be using the E6000. Anything else that I used to create this project is down in the description box below. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and, like I said, we're going to fill in the gaps here where we can fit one of these shells. The first thing we're going to do though is we're just going to put little dabs of E6000 in the areas where we're planning on gluing, just to help secure it better. Okay. And like I said, there's no really way to arrange this. You just do it according to the direction and the way that you want. So the placement is totally up to you. I just wanted to fill it in only because I knew that we had open enough gaps that we could do that. So these can get pointed in any direction that you'd like. And I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. Now let me just show you what that looks like. So I used the smaller ones to kind of fill in the areas where I knew I could fit those little ones in. So I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay guys, so this is what we have. See, like to me that looks a little bit more finished because you don't have that many open gaps. And the open gaps is fine when you place the candle in there. It wasn't filled in enough for me. So look how beautiful that looks, guys. All different kinds of shells. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to place this aside and we're going to get started on this one. We're going to put little dabs of the E6000 in certain areas or random spots where I think I'm going to glue. Okay, And so you can see, just want you to see, I put random glue in areas where I believe I'm going to glue, okay? Because I don't know the spacing that well. And like I said, you can go in any direction you'd like with these. So, and because the shells are not the same size, I think that's going to look beautiful. You can go straight up and down, whatever direction you'd like. Now you can face them up, or you can leave them face down. Let's just place these on there. Okay, now we'll just take a quick look to see where I can place one. Just make sure and use a permanent adhesive, a clear one, because you don't want the shells to fall off. Thought I could fit one there. I'm not sure, it has to be a small one. Let's see. Going there. There you go. Okay, I don't want to fool with that too much. I don't want to squeeze them too much together. I just wanted to fill it in according to, how it made me happy. Make sure that you guys do this and fill it in according to, how it makes you guys happy. Make sure you use the permanent. I used E6000. I think that's a really good, excellent glue to use. But you guys can also use the Fix All adhesive and anything else that you guys like. Again, just make sure it's something permanent and the shells won't fall off. And you do have to be delicate with them because they will crack. So now, guys, again, this one here, let's see. just want to make sure that's not interfering with, I think it is. I might have to file that down a little bit. Okay, so guys, I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. You know, for beach decor, nautical decor, I think it came out beautiful. So now, what I'm going to do, let me show you what that's going to look like. Okay, let's move this over here. We still have to let this dry. Remember, it's E6000. You allow this to dry 24 to 48 hours, so it has time to cure. So I'm going to show you what that's going to look like on the candle holders, and I think this is an absolutely beautiful gift, or even something you might want to put out on your patio. When guests come, I'm going to display that for you guys. This is what it looks like, and I'll see you in the next video.